Hi there. In this episode, we struggle like crazy with this Hyundai hedge trimmer.
Bloody thing keeps cutting out.
I have no idea why this was happening. I tried to contact Hyundai support and they really weren't interested.
Oh, you fucking cunts.
Eventually, I got it working, only for it to cut out again. After struggling to get it started, putting all my safety gear on, revving it up, getting ready, and the bloody thing would cut out.
Fucking bastard.
Over and over again.
Can you believe it? Did it again.
Eventually, I got some work done. I then had a bit of a fall, but everything was okay.
That was a bit of a bump. Cheers.
Time for a break. This thing is starting to do my head in a bit. I feel like I've almost dislocated my shoulder. Surely it shouldn't be like this. So now it's getting dark. It's working properly. It's taken me the whole day to do very little. Quite frustrating. The next day things were a lot better. Perhaps the engine has run in a bit, I don't really know. I feel happy now. I also know that I'm going on holiday soon. A much more productive day than yesterday. Off to go shopping in the magical bus.
Here we are back again. Larger than life. I think I might clean up first, get in the mood, see how we're feeling. It's raining. So, yeah. These are good.
Ebenezer good.
I mean, sorry. These are good. This is where it all falls out of the wheelbarrow. It stopped raining now. That's good. Off we go. Whoa. Look at this stuff, for God's sake. Okay.
This is the Nissen hut. Sometimes there are little creatures hiding under the rubble.
This is how we make an English cup of tea.
Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next episode.